Today was the food bank day, the first one for March in my area. It's the first of two, and this is what I got today. I got 2 Caesar salads from Kroger with bacon. It's a chopped salad kit. Got 2 of those. I've got a bag of Fuji apples. Looks like 6 of them in the pack. I got looks like a 2-pound or maybe a 3-pound bag of onions that are okay. I'll have to do something with them pretty soon. I got a bag of red potatoes, and I'm thinking I'll either give those to my daughter or put them in the freezer. I got 2, I think it's called a baguette. I'll have to figure out what I want to do with those. I got 8 cucumbers, and I'm gonna look up a recipe for small batch pickles. Either that or make some pickle relish. And I got a container of cookies. Looks like chocolate chip cookies. I'll be giving that to my grandkids. And I got these 2 mystery boxes of what it calls portable protein packs. And I had to open up one of the boxes because I don't have a clue what that is. So let me open that up. Oh, it's little snack packs. It's got ham, Cobra Jack, and cashews. Huh. So if I got 4 of those, and there's 2, 5, so that'd be 20 little snack packs. Huh, not bad. So that's what I got today, and I'm very happy with it. Have to get busy and do something with it. And I forgot that I had got a pack of chicken. It looks like legs. Might be legs and thighs, or maybe it's a whole cut up chicken. I'm not sure until I can thaw it out and use it. Anyway, I thought I'd add that in too.